You see, Sri J.P. Nadda and Sri Naib Singh Saini both have been appointed as an observer by our national president Sri Nitin Nabinji. Who will be the chief minister, who will be the next leader, will be decided by the legislature party, and following the meeting of the legislature party, BJP and NDA will come back to this Lok Bhavan again and will stake claim to form a government. But leader of the legislature party is yet to be selected, so we should wait for the process to be completed.
Tentatively, at what date oath will be taken, sir?
There are indications that oath will be post 11th of May, because we invited Honorable Prime Minister to kindly grace the swearing-in ceremony of our government this time, because we are not only win with a century, but along with that we also deliver a hat-trick. So hat-trick with century, that is why we have invited Honorable Prime Minister to grace the occasion. However, the indication from his office that it will be possible only after 11th of May.